Namuaw ay agaw tako admoni laydak lang ay manibasa sa story ay nagabuod sina Pugyas. And I think mayat na ay ma-share tanang gana admoni at mailat ako di evidence mabalin ay maanapan tako pay lang din danay ay jars ay kaman din ay jars ay bagbagan din ay story ay naibasaan tako admoni. Mga dinang anapak sina ay story the first ay nang anapak sina sinan Bugyas Town Fiesta Souvenir Program di 1989. Sinay di first ay nang basak sinay story di padako into kutok. Mga lang takos na itatapi dinay na nila story kahit sina story di padako ya tukutok. It is written by Sir Lolito T. Igualdo. The title na The Antique Jars of Bugyas, Padako and Tukutok. Padako and Tukutok were husband and wife who lived many years ago in a little city of Subang at the foot of Mount Natuo, bordering the province of Benguet and Ifugao. Nearing it also is a place was the passage of the Tiger of Malaya, General Yamashita during the World War II with his famous treasures, now the object of many treasure hunters far and wide. The couple were blessed with many children. Some of them migrated to other towns in the province and in other nearby provinces. So you will not be surprised if you will be hearing some people bearing the family names of the Padakos. Others were left behind to continue and propagate the honor and wisdom of the Padakos, and to tell and retell the roots of their families. Padako and his wife have two big jars, so big that it can accommodate cooked and fermented rice of 25 gantas each and even more. The rice wine juice that comes from these jars was so blended and aged that it can equal the best wine of the world. These jars were said to have been brought by the semi-illiterate Malayan immigrants to the country through the Lingayen Gulf and came up to the mountains through Agno River. Because they were driven up by the more literate Malays, who were the forefathers of our lowland brothers now. The semi-illiterate Malayan immigrants were likewise the forefathers of the Kankanais and the Ibaloys. Present-day researchers have toyed the idea that the early Malayan immigrants, who happened to be the Kankanais, have reached as far as the Mount Data now, and after following the rivers now known as the Agno, Amburayan, and Chico rivers. The people along these rivers and adjoining towns speak the Kankanay dialect with only some difference in pronunciation and intonation, which naturally were the influence of their environment. Being rich, Padako used to render big kanyaws called pidit. They have been inviting relatives, friends, and neighbors not only from the town but of other neighboring towns and provinces. Kanyaws is a way of binding and instilling closer relationship among relatives and friends, and also a way of promoting social prestige, a status symbol. Because of his two big jars, which was always being filled with rice wine called tape, and of his kanyaws, Padako became famous and well known and looked upon as the Baknang in his community. After many years of successful living, Padako and his wife died of old age. Padako's remains were put in the bigger jar, and his wife, who died later, was likewise put in the other jar. These big jars served as their coffin and were placed in a cave which were not accessible to destruction. After some many years, a relative by the name Butag Ligmayo went to retrieve the jars, removed whatever remains there were, washed, and cleaned it and filled them with fermented rice wine again. Butag Ligmayo was appointed as president or mayor of Bugyas for 3 terms, 3 times, and he attributed his successful political career as a mankutom for the jars he inherited from Padako and his wife, Tukutok. Today, the bigger jar is called Padako, and the other jar Tukutok in honor of its owners. The fermented rice wine and its juice that comes from these jars tasted very much better than before, so much that when Governor Ben Palispis tasted it, he usually gave some money to the PTA and barangay officials of Amnimay, who are presently in custody of the jar Tukutok, to buy some red wine or kintuman to prepare rice wine on the jar every December during his incumbency as governor of the province. Accordingly, if the governor drinks his share of the Tukutuk wine, he becomes vigorously strong and rejuvenated. So consider din story din na Padako in Tukutuk. And actually, na ano kami na nadatngak di asalang ay nailakat din na Padako. At sinayangga din naramanak din tapoy na, and truly man kanan din na story ay binasat ako na imas sidi lang din maibagak. So nga sinay din story na, and I think sana ay dapat ay i-value tako tan wada din kanat niyo wada din jars pa lang ay mai-preserve kumadita wada di evidence sinay ay story ay binasat ako.